Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm going to be talking about games. Games to keep you happy. But first, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel yet, please go ahead and click the subscribe button down below here. And also don't forget to ring the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. Also, if you can, give me a thumbs up. That helps me out with YouTube's analytics. And if you know of anyone that might be interested in any of these videos, if it's friends, family members, neighbors, co-workers, whatever, go ahead and share it out. Share button right there. Hit share. You can share it on social media, or you can just copy the URL up here and then email it out to them. Alrighty? All right, so games. Games to keep you happy. What is the purpose of prepping games to keep you happy? Well, it's called morale. You don't want people getting depressed, bummed out, whatever you want to call it. It happens all the time, especially in the northern states when you're during the winter time, when you get snowed in and stuff and storms going on. People get all kind of, oh man, we're just the snow going to end. That's what we're talking about. Something to keep everybody active, happy, going, energetic. Your games help out a lot to improve morale. And that's what we're talking about. So make sure you have plenty of games so you don't get bored stuck playing with just 3 games. That's all you have. You want to have a variety of games. All right. You want to have some for the littler kids and some for the adults and some for the in-betweeners. Something that everybody can play. All right. So as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. And most of all, stay prepared. All righty? And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.